Welcome to the tutorial video for Assets Pack to the Unreal Engine 5, Demon All-in-One. Let's start with perhaps the simplest materials in the package, which you just need to apply to the character and set up the material instance. The first thing I will do is, of course, add an item for using materials. And I'll use a standard character, because in my opinion, it will more accurately show how the material will look on your meshes. To apply to a character, you can of course use the base material itself, as shown on the screen. But for greater convenience, I would of course recommend using the instance material, since in them you can change settings in real time and not waste time searching for variables in the material. And the material that we are now considering is called Burning Skin. In it, you can customize almost everything, from the size of your fire burst to the color of the fire itself. You can also adjust in the material how far the flames will protrude beyond the mesh. The second material we will use is called Demon Body. It can be used as an independent material as well as an overlay material. But in this case, we will combine it with another material called Demon Aura. This material does not have any serious settings. Of course, you can change its color and animation speed. But as for me, it is already well configured specifically for application to character meshes. The following material was originally intended for creating demonic animals, but it also looks very good on a regular humanoid mesh. In it, you can change everything from brightness to color. You can also change the textures themselves, which create the flickering effect. You can also change the size or speed of the animation. Well, of course, a material that imitates lava. From my point of view, it is best suited for various demonic or hellish characters. In it, you can adjust the animation speed and the size of each word, and also the ratio of dark and light layers. Blood movement material, the simplest and at the same time the most frightening. It has virtually no settings, as it is created using procedural noise generation, and it moves differently every time, but you can customize its color, and the material will be adjusted automatically to the size of your mesh. And the last of the materials in this section is the material of the soul. It is created using the smallest noise mesh sizes, especially so that it could be applied to large objects. However, it also has quite fine tuning, and it is very suitable for creating transparent models in sci-fi themes. That's all in this section, and you can move on to the next section about materials that replace others using the combustion effect.